Hello?
Hello, Supercat. We have opened a new prison. We want to fill it with criminals, and we need you, Supercat. A financial offer awaits you.
Okay, we have a deal. You live a life of luxury in people's homes and steal money. If you stole TV, take it with you. You will need it in the prison. Say hello to Supercat!
You did a great job. Take your money.
Friends, if you want to see me again, like and subscribe. Goodbye.